watching. Wait.
Once the music starts,
yep,
that's when we know it's go time. Got it. Hold and
wait. Back up, back up.
Yep. Yep. Perfect. Good, 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 good. 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 Second peel back. Hold. Okay, here we go. Gonna get ready to pop it. Ready?
Ready, pop. Clear.
That was good. Pop in second. Ready,
Clear.
pop.
Clear.
Okay. Neuroscience time. Ready? It's gonna be in the zone, man. It's gonna feel it. Clipping. Clip one. Clear.
Clear.
Clip. Pull the crank. Hold it. Clip two.
Clear.
Nice. Man, that's not good. That was good.
Yeah, we're clear.
Clip three and four.
Clear.
Good snap. Good snap. You can peel. Peel back. Good. Good peel. Synapse node.
We use that.
All right. Ready? Got it?
Yep. Right.
Clear. Good removal. Right, coming in second plier hands.
All right, we're clear.
Skinning back.
Yeah, well.
Coming out. Up. Still got a couple bogeys on here. Okay.
We need incisions.
Yep, yep, yep.
Scalpel.
Good, good cut. Yep. There it is. Yep. Stay focused, stay focused. Good job, Jeff. Use them up there. It's always the hardest part. Good, good cut, good cut. All right, we're doing good. Minute 30 seconds. We're doing good on time. All right.
Where's the clock?
Whole
Where's the
structure.
clock? Where's the
Minute 20.
clock?
We got minute 20.
You'll get 24 cc's, baby.
Please, stat. Okay, we got a full peel back. Ready to go?
Ready, clear.
He's got a nose. Ready? Ready to go? Cranial.
Clear.
Zone.
Cranial clear. Cranial
Pulling,
clear.
pulling, pulling. Okay,
Cranial clear.
still got a couple snaps. All right, we need to re-event. Okay.
Let's go 180 degrees. A little
Yep.
over.
Yep.
A little bit over.
Ready?
Yeah. Small incision.
Yep. Clip. And clip.
Small incision.
There we go. Good, good. And ready?
Yep, we're ready.
Clear.
Let's get that tray
All right,
out there.
let's do
Get
it.
that tray out there.
You get that? All right. Gotta keep this skin chilled. Gotta keep it chilled. Okay, we got one more incision. Clear?
Yep, yeah.
Clear. Oh.
Yep.
There we go. Okay, good, good, good.
All right.
I got the Wi-Fi signal. Okay, good. Chilled? Okay.
All right.
Ready?
Let's move it quick.
We gotta do fast.
Time is critical.
Time is limited now.
Time is critical.
Time is limited now.
Of the essence.
Can't forget the cranial implant.
Skin is chilled.
You guys will go down in history. You guys make this happen.
It's gonna happen. Primed.
Prime.
Skin prime.
First incision.
Going in. Clear.
First incision.
Good cut. Keep it clean. Stay focused. Be your best person.
All right, we're clear. Let's go
Clear.
over here.
Yep. Good cuts. Good cuts.
Same
Great.
skin, just cut.
Okay. Peel back.
Yeah, it's clear. Let's
Are we
clear,
gonna do-
let's
we're
clear
gonna-
the legs.
Okay, here we go.
We want to keep the hips intact. We want to keep the hips intact
Ready?
here.
Okay.
Very
Need to
careful.
hold this side. Just like in the textbook. Textbook, ready?
Yep. Yep.
Peel it off, just like a fruit roll.
And keep the hips intact. Hips intact.
Structured. Okay, we're going. Peeling.
Cleared.
Clear.
Ooh.
Two off, two off, two off.
Holy shit.
We're doing great right now. Oh my god.
Wow.
That's it, gentlemen.
Okay, ready?
Oh,
Flipping
no,
it, flipping it.
Yeah, okay, flip.
Ready? Ready to go?
Cranial's not secure. Cranial's not secure. Flip.
Secure the secure
Flip.
cranial.
Flip.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
cranial's not secure. Let's work on the nerves.
All right, hold the hips. Just like a shirt. Just like a shirt. Just like a shirt.
Just like your old jammies.
Just like the old. Oh, whoa, whoa. See
Easy,
spine
easy,
intact. See spine
easy.
intact.
Pull it back. Pull it back. Pull
Okay,
it back.
okay, okay.
Pull it back.
Incision, please.
Yep. Pull it back.
Okay.
We gotta get in the fabric here.
Yeah. Literally the fabric of our lives. Just keep it together, man. Here, I'll pull skin.
Yep. There you go.
Clear. Good cuts. Good cuts. Good cuts. Good cuts. Wow. Alright, here's usually the problem zone that we always run into.
Yeah, we gotta get through that ribbon.
Yep. Always the fucking ribbon with these guys.
2 minutes and 30 seconds.
2 minutes, 30 seconds. We got 2 minutes, 30 seconds. We're doing good. We're doing good. Yep.
We gotta get this.
Yep. The sinew. Good cuts. Good cuts. Wow. That was really well done. Look at that. Just peeling back. Just like a shirt. Some of the best work I think I've ever seen you do, man. Wow. That was a little sloppy, but we're not counting. We're not counting.
Whoever is good.
What was that?
Oh, no.
Shit. Keep it together. Okay. Everything's fine. Everything's fine.
Yep. We're good. Let's just get this cut.
Let's get the cut. Good, 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 good. Nice, nice. There we go.
There's a chakra.
Yeah, keep this brain foam intact. We gotta make it through this ribbon. We gotta detach the ribbon.
Oh, that's what it was. Good. Okay.
We have to detach this ribbon.
Okay.
Flip it around.
Pre-flip, detach, and then
30
flip.
seconds.
We're just
1 minute, 30
We're
seconds.
cutting. We're cutting.
Cutting clear,
Nip tuck.
clear. Nice cut, nice cut.
Removal.
Is the skin chilled?
Removal.
Look how cool that looks.
Sheriff, stick with us. Stick with us, Sheriff.
Skin is chilled. We're just gonna do a couple more cuts. All right. Good.
Could we
good, good.
get some soy sauce on the sheriff's stuff?
Yeah.
Yep. Salt it up, salt it up. Skin needs to be nice and primed. All right, here we go. Ready?
Yeah, hold cranial nerves. Hold the
Cranial
cranial
nerve.
nerves.
Stabilized.
Yep.
Pulling.
Yep.
Clear.
Yep. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright.
You can build another one.
40
Yep.
seconds.
All right. All right. Facial suture removal. Clear. Keep it together just a moment, dude.
30 seconds.
Good cuts. Good cuts.
No good.
Good cuts. Look at that.
15 seconds.
Got it. You got it, man. Good cuts. Good cuts. We don't have time. We don't have time.
Clock.
Okay. Chill skin.
Clock.
Ready? Here's the real moment. Mustachio. The spirit of Pinky will always live on. All right.
Yeah, we can say that's
Here's the
fine.
moment of truth.
All right. So,
Sterilized. Skin out. Prime skin.
yep.
Ready for transplant. Coming in. Perfect.
Yeah, so let's just start. Let's start front hips.
Yep.
You know,
Front hip.
cranial
Cranial.
enterage. Cranial enterage. Let's make sure we got a good opening. We clear. We have a
We'll
solid
see.
opening.
We'll see.
Yep, we're clear. Cranial.
Coming on.
Cranial dismount.
Clear.
Yep, cranial dismount. I'm holding.
Docking.
We're good.
Docking.
Doc.
Oh!
It's alright. No, don't worry about it. Stay focused. It's fine.
Okay.
It's fine. It's
All right.
fine.
As you can see,
It's
people,
just
it's looking at this right now. I
secure
can't
the
explain
hips.
it.
It's
Secure the hips.
just cosmetic. Front hips secure. Front hips secure.
Back hips coming on.
As you can see,
Back hips coming on. We got a tight pull.
All right, let's flip over.
Oh, looks like we got somebody's rollerblade or
Flip her over.
something. Oh, it's the tail. Never
Flip
mind
her
it.
over.
Yeah, we gotta get this. This is okay.
Get the tail in.
Yeah, gotta get that Wi-Fi signal cracking again.
Yeah. You have the password.
Yeah,
We have the password for the Wi-Fi.
best plastic surgeons ever. All caps. No period. Exclamation point. All right,
Yep.
feeling it. Oh,
Yep.
you see that little breath of life?
Sound alive. All right,
Oh,
let's flip
oh,
over.
It's
Relax,
taken.
relax,
It's
relax,
taken.
Relax. Flip her over.
Okay. Oh God,
Hold on.
this is going well.
Let's get in there.
Yeah, we might have to dress it up a little bit after surgery, but
why do I feel like this is keep
right up here.
The sheriff is coming back.
Yes, it is.
Ready?
Fucking
Let's
shit.
flip her over. Keep her over. Backside here. See if we can get
Should we do the full fold?
yeah. See if we can get
Skin full transplant.
a whole body.
Fucking
2 minutes.
Is it tight?
2 minutes 30 seconds. Okay.
Hold on. Wait, we're not in a race against that clock. We have to do
We
this
have to do
accurately.
this.
Do not worry about time right now.
The skin is
Yeah,
the
we
skin
have
is in
more
good
slack.
health.
Yeah, we have more slack.
We do.
Yeah,
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
It just opened up.
perfect.
You dog needs some tape.
We needed
Look at
that
that.
slack.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Yep. Yep.
Bow.
Things opened up.
Sure did. Look at that. Fits like a fucking goddamn glove.
I think it's taken.
Oh, it's taken well. I don't even think we need tape. Shall we?
I think it's
See?
taken. Let's flip her over here and do a quick diagnostic.
C-spine stabilized.
Yeah.
You gotta break it up now.
We actually increased your jaw line. She actually has a way stronger bite.
Looks like the dog on Sesame.
Wait a minute.
Ready?
Cranial implant.
Oh my god.
Cranial implant. Yeah.
Do the final
Wait, no,
one.
it's already there. It's already there. We can't replace
Double up.
brain right now. There's no way we're replacing brain right now.
And we do that
There's
later.
no way.
if
We have to
needs
just
be.
let this take. We have to let it take and make sure it's stable. Our clients need to be stable and functional.
And with our powers combined, everybody's got to believe right now.
I believe.
Does everyone believe? Wait, let's get her badge. Let's get her badge on.
I want
There's
If-
the
if-
badge.
if-
It's not gonna-
if-
she's not gonna-
and when she fires up, we're gonna need her to be on duty.
Because we need you, Sheriff. We believe in you
Nobody's on duty.
until
Right now.
Sheriff's on duty.
We need the law and order in this county.
Sheriff. Sheriff.
It's a very critical moment right
Sheriff.
now.
Sheriff.
Well, I couldn't get it fast.
Hup. 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 We got life.
She's taken.
She's taken.
Take